Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time that I uploaded a video. Just forget about the background, I'm still setting it up, and today's video is gonna be a bit of a rant. I remembered I did a video that was somewhere around November December last year. That was in 2022, and the video title was how to earn on Opera News Hub. And for those of you who don't know much about the Opera News Hub, the Opera News Hub is a platform where we write articles, publish it as content creators, and so the more views you get on the platform or on your article on that platform, that's how huge the money will be. And a lot of people were earning that huge sum of money through publishing their articles on the Opera News Hub platforms in Ghana, and I think Nigeria also, but a lot were earning on that platform in Ghana. And at that time I was still in Ghana, so I did that video. But few weeks later, a lot of people started receiving or having issue with the platform. Some said their account has been banned, some also said they are not receiving their payments and other stuffs. Others too were saying they were receiving their payment, but it was slow. So we were many content creators, in Ghana who did videos on the Opera News Hub and also teach how to write the articles and other stuff, publish it, and the more you get views, the more you get paid. So few weeks later, a lot of issues came, and my colleagues went out to their subscribers and also clarify everything to them and about the issue, how it started and where it's going, what they should do and other stuff. Some even went live and spoke with their subscribers, but for me, I didn't. I'm very very sorry, but I was going through a lot. And shout out to Educate, who has been supportive. She's been the backbone of so many videos that I publish. She was motivating me since, but that's just by the way. I just passed through, and I think now I'm getting better. So I had a friend who was also a publisher on the Opera News Hub platform. He also used to earn huge sum of money. I contacted him, we spoke, we chat, and this is what he told me. And I decided to share this with you, my subscribers and my viewers. So in the chat or in the conversation, he listed some important points, and I decided to share with you. He said, at first I was patient and gave them a benefit of a doubt, but it's been months now and I still haven't received any money. I've also noticed that many other creators are experiencing the same issue, and some have even had their accounts banned without any explanation. And that's very bad for the Opera News Hub platform, such a huge platform in Ghana. And I don't know whether they are in other African countries, but that's just by the way. And the guy continues by saying, I understand that running a platform like Opera News Hub is not easy, and there are bound to be some hiccups along the way. Please help me this word, hiccups. I think this is the first time of me coming across this English word. Hiccups along the way, that's how I pronounced it. But I feel like they've been dishonest and misleading by not being transparent about their payment issues. As a content creator, I put a lot of time and efforts into creating quality content, and it's frustrating to not be compensated for my work. And that's what he had to say. And I don't know for others. And he concluded also by saying, what does this mean for me? Well, unfortunately, I have decided to stop using Opera News Hub. As much as I enjoy using the platform, I can't continue to invest my time and energy into something that's not paying me what I'm owed. I hope that Opera News Hub will eventually resolve their payment issues and regain the trust of their users. But until then, I will be exploring other platforms. Just very understanding, you should also try explore other platforms. But don't worry, I also try fish out other platforms where we can write articles, publish them, and make some cash. I think that's the reason why this platform is still surviving. A lot of people are also benefiting from the videos that we did previously. And he said, but until then, I will be exploring other platforms and opportunities to share my content and earn some extra income. Very understanding and very informative, and that's what he had to say, because he also used to publish articles on the Opera News Hub platform, and he used to earn cash also there. So what's next? I think that's it for today's video. I hope this was helpful for those of you who are also using Opera News Hub. Let me know in the comments below if you've experienced similar issues, or if you have any other platform that you will recommend us, and we will really appreciate to explore the app and also get some income in our accounts. As always, it's your boy Habib Educate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. It's your boy Habib Educate, and I will see you in the next video.